Hey there! Ever wondered why wounds get so itchy when they're healing? It's actually a normal part of your body's amazing repair process. Let's break it down in simple terms. When you get a cut or scrape, your body jumps into action. It sends special healing chemicals to the wound. These chemicals are great for fixing you up, but they can also make your skin feel itchy. As your wound heals, new nerve endings start to grow. These baby nerves are super sensitive, which can lead to that annoying itch. At the same time, skin cells are moving around to patch up the damage. All this activity can tickle your skin from the inside. Your body also pumps more blood to the wound to speed up healing. This extra blood flow can make the area feel warm and itchy. And as new skin forms, it can get dry and tight, adding to the itch factor. Remember that crusty scab that forms? As it dries out, it can make the skin underneath feel itchy too. It's tempting to scratch, but try to resist. Scratching can damage the new, delicate skin and slow down healing. While itching is usually a good sign that your body is doing its job, there are times to be careful. If your wound is super itchy, red, swollen, or oozing, it's time to check with a doctor. These could be signs of an infection. So how can you deal with the itch without messing up the healing? Here are some tips. Keep the wound moist with a gentle lotion or ointment. This can really help with the dry, tight feeling. Cover the wound with a clean bandage. This protects it and can reduce itching. Try a cold pack wrapped in a soft cloth. The cool sensation can calm down the itch. Wear loose, comfy clothes that won't rub against the wound. If it's really bothering you, ask about using an over-the-counter anti-itch cream. Just check with an adult or pharmacist first to make sure it's safe for your wound. Remember, that itch is just your body's way of telling you it's hard at work fixing you up. With a little patience and care, you'll be good as new in no time.